Table and 6.
Ano pangalan mo, number 8?
Ikaw tatlo ang bata sa kanila. Ikaw po si. Punta na po sa loob. Babay, ano color? Purple and pink. Purple and pink. Pasok. Service by number 12. Dennis Isan. Sine. Binigay sa open. Pinalo. Hey! Outside. Service by number 12. Receive by number 8. Sine. Binigay sa open. Tuwa. Habang ang technique. Service by number 18. Receive by number 10. Sine number 4. Pinalo. Dennis Isan. Sine number 18. Pinapanglet. Relax. Pumasok. All two. Service by number 18. Dennis Bigutet. Sine sa tres. Oy! Anong sabi rin? Nanetlo po yung kalaban. Service by number 4. Eh, sayang na. Ang score, 4-2. Service by number 4. Over. Service by number 4. Receive by Gutay. Sine number 4. Binigay sa open. Hey! Ano yan, referee? Outside daw. Ano ba yan? Oh, outside ka. Pag ka nagagalit, nagtatanong ka. Service by number 4. Receive by Gutay. Service by number 0. Si Baikla. Laban na po ang kabilang team. Receive by Gobert. Pinalo niya ng Martin. Pumasok sa pagkakot. Grabe ang medyo matay. Oy, good! Good po tayo. Oy! Outside. Tuloy lang po. Habang pala po may dito. Service by number 1. Pinalitan ng over. Outscore 8-7. Service by number 1. Grabe ng service ni Didi. Dalawang Godoy. Service by Godoy. Pinalo. And over. Only na po tayo. Service by number 29. Receive by Godoy. Service A by number 23. Receive by Godoy. Sinet, nirani ka na. Receive by Godoy. Sinet ka na ready. Pinigay ka lang. Kailangan ka. Outside. All night. Service by number 40. Receive number 3. Get over. Outside. 10-9. Service by number 40. Not over. All 10. Service by Sam. Not over. 11-10. Dapat na sila sa. Service by Sam. Receiving time. Set by number 4. Pinalo niya rin. Pumasok. Hindi mamaya si number 12. All 11. Received by Sam. Sinet. Pinalo niya number 4. Sayang. 12-11. Service by number 18. Receive by number 10. Kailangan sayang. All of 12. Service by number 4. Receive by number 3. Sinet ulit sa open. Pinagpas. Yes, ulit. Good po tayo po. Hey, change score. Change score po tayo. Change score. Service by number 4. Receive by number 3. Sinet number 18. Pinalo niya number 5. Wala. Service by number 4. Receive by number 10. Sinet. Pinalo. Na-receive. Sinet. Over. Ay. Grabe naman yung molo ni Gobert. Ay, hindi. Ilabas. Papunta na po sa kabila. Pakuha na lang po yung Ay. Service by number 4. Receive by number 12. Sinip. Tinulong. Uy! Sayang. Papunasan niya pa. All 40. Receive by Sam. Set by number 18. Pinali na number 18. Suwan. Ang score, 50-40. Outside. All 50 to 9. Kapatid mo. Sa'yo na. Hindi ka na kumakuha si Lili. Ang score, 16-15. Sir, number 25. Receive number 3. Pinali number 8 na sa dalawang lager. All 16, tingin ang laban. Service by number 8. Receive by number 1. Sinip. Receive. Sinip. Pinali na. Lamang na po sila Niki, 17-16. Service by Niki. Ay! Service by Niki. 18-16. Not over. Dinawin. 18-17. Receive by number 10. Sinip. Nilagay number. Good! Saka. Nice. One na po kaya. Ready na po yung next game. Wala na next game. Ay, sorry. 1970. Receive by number 8. Sinip by number 4. Pinali by number 9. Receive ulit. Sinip by number. Sinip kay Sam. Tinulong. Receive by Niki. Good. Good. Ay, tinatayuan na ni Niki. Wala na po. Last 17. Ready na po next game? Okay, next game. Ay, wait na pa. Receive by number 8. Sinip by number 18 sa gitna. Okay na po. Iningan ba yung yung kanyang playmates? Service by Sam. Bago babalik si Didi. Ay, grabe naman yung serve na yan. Serve from Japan.
One stop, one stop.
Score 20-19. Service by Sam. Receive by Didi. Outside. Grabe. All 20. Good.